This ukulele lesson is going to teach you the Motown classic I Second That Emotion by Smokey Robinson and the Miracles. Starts with this introduction. 1, 2. So this tune, you only need 3 chords to play it. I'm going to show you a funky rhythm, a couple of riffs that you can stick into this, and the horn solo. Strum your A major chord 3 times. Then your G chord 3 times. Wait 2 beats. 1, 2, then pick this riff. I'm playing this on a low G tuned ukulele. If you're on a high G, just ignore the octave displacement. Don't let a little octave displacement get in the way of you having fun. The way you pick that riff is like this, starting with the index finger, 2nd fret of the 4th string, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, and then go right back to your D major chord. Let's play it slowly and then we'll practice it a couple of times with a drum beat. 1, 2, 3 hits. A, G, 1, 2. Let's practice it a couple of times through with a drum beat. 2, 3, go. 1, 2. 1, 2, do it again. 1, 2. One more time? Okay, let's do it. A. 1, 2. Excellent job on the introduction. Now let's play the verse and the chorus. We'll learn a funky strum and how to mix a riff into it. Just so you know, you can strum this tune any way you like. This is the fully fledged strum. Let me break it down after I demonstrate it. Now just feel your way through it and let's sing. Maybe you wanna give me kisses sweet, only for one night and no repeat. Don't click away, I'm gonna show you. What I'm doing is this pattern. Down, up, chop, up, down, up, 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 chop, up, down, down, up, chop, up, down, up, 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 chop, up, down, down, up, a chop means I'm strumming the chords and muting them a moment later. Down, up, chop, again, down, up, chop, lightly, down, up, chop, down, up, chop, part 2, down, up, chop, up, down, down, up, chop, up, down, again, down, up, chop, up, down. Next, we're going to squeeze on the up strum 3 times. Up, 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 chop, up, 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 chop, up, 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 chop. Put it all together. Down, up, chop, up, down, up, 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 chop, down, up, chop, up, down, up, 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 chop. You keep this motion going with a light touch and you get that scratch rhythm. Let's play the pattern. Every other time we're going to stick this riff in there. Same 2 notes we used in the introduction. Just bouncing back and forth, sliding into the 4th fret with the 3rd finger, index finger. Let's try it out. Down, up, chop, up, down, up, 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 chop, up, down, up, chop, up, down, down, up, chop, up, down, up, chop, up, down, up, chop, up, down. I know these kind of rhythms are tricky. That's why I create bonus content to take you deeper into each tune. There is a whole library of fun and inspiring lessons waiting for you. Click the links and I'll see you in the bonus lessons. Before we jam the entire song with the drum track, let me show you the instrumental. Starts on a D chord, strum your A, just imagine you playing that solo while your friends are backing you up. Super cool. Bonus lesson down below will take you through guided practice and all kinds of cool picking tips so you can add some other tasty licks in there. Now let's play the whole tune from start to finish with the drum track. If you're enjoying this video, please reach out, smash the like button, and click subscribe. Be sure to share this video with your friends. There is a ton of fun, inspiring content waiting for you at this channel. Ukulele Zen. Right now, just have fun following along with any rhythm you like. Introduction. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Maybe you wanna give me kisses sweet, but only for one night and no repeat. And maybe you'll go away and never call. A taste of honey's worse than none at all. Oh, little girl, in that case I don't want no part. I do believe that would only break my heart. Oh, but if you feel like loving me, if you got the notion, I second that emotion. Said if you feel like giving me a lifetime of devotion, I second that emotion. Introduction. Or maybe you think that love would tie you down, and you ain't got the time to hang around. Yeah, maybe you think that love was made for fools, so it makes you wise to break the rules. Oh, little girl, in that case I don't want no part. I do believe that would only break my heart. Oh, but if you feel like loving me, if you got the notion, I second that emotion. Said if you feel like giving me a lifetime of devotion, I second that emotion. Intro. Instrumental. Chorus. In that case I don't want no part. I do believe that would only break my heart. Oh, but if you feel like loving me, if you've got the notion, I second that emotion. Said if you feel like giving me a lifetime of devotion, I second that emotion. Outro. I second that emotion. Oh, I second that emotion. Uses that same rhythm from the intro.